Alright guys, welcome to Florida Family Vlogs. Today we're at Disney Springs and we're going to be trying out the new restaurant, Summer House on the Lake. So come along with us. We always like to park in the orange garage when we come here. Then you have the AMC Theater, you got Coca-Cola, and you have Planet Hollywood right there. And just a turn right over here, you got some awesome restaurants down through there. One of our favorites, Homecoming. Then you have the Balloon right here. We've never been on that.
So take a left as you approach that Balloon, and Summer House on the Lake is up here on the right, but we have a little bit of time to kill before our reservation.
The crowds aren't too bad for it being Christmas. Of course, it is rainy. I don't know how my wife talked me into coming to Disney Springs on Christmas Day, but I was expecting the crowd to be a lot worse. However, it is kind of rainy, so luckily that kind of helped kill down the crowd a little bit. We're going to take the kids to the Lego store. So as we're approaching the Lego store, we're hoping the line isn't too bad, because our reservation for Summer House on the Lake is in 1 hour. And unfortunately, it looks like
the line to get into the Lego store is pretty long.
But the line's moving pretty quick.
Moving a good bit. Moving a good bit.
Alright, so this is a set that you're interested in. Now this is more than Grandma and Grandpa wanted to do, but Daddy and I would make up the difference in what they would pay. So if y'all.
Where's he at, man?
All right, so we made it over here. It's right over there, right, the balloon's right over there. Saratoga Springs is right across the lake. So right as you walk in, up to the left of the hostess desk is their cookie bar where they sell like cookies and desserts, as well as souvenirs like mugs and shirts and hats and things of that. Pretty cool stuff.
I know you didn't touch it because you've been upstairs to turn it. Okay. How comfy are you?
I would say like a 5 out of 10.
Right here.
4 out of 10.
Okay. Then why don't y'all discuss what's on the menu that y'all can split? Like you want chicken, we'll get chicken tenders and y'all can split it, okay? How's that sound?
I'll give it my burger.
What?
I'll give it my burger.
You want a burger? You want to split a burger? Split a cheeseburger, okay? And then you get sides. What are your sides?
French fries.
French fries and the jalapeno cornbread.
So I'm going to try this Buena Vista Cobb salad, and then also get the skirt steak frites. And my wife is going to get the, what are you going to get? The angry crab. I don't even know how you say that. And for an appetizer, we're going to try the jalapeno cornbread. So here's the jalapeno cornbread. Inside of there. That's really good. It is kind of spicy. It's spicy after about five seconds. It gets pretty spicy. Yeah, it has more of like a cake consistency versus like traditional cornbread. Really, really good. I was a little disappointed that the steak came cooked well done, or maybe medium well. But I went ahead and ate it anyway, and I was shocked at how good it still was. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. Now, it may be a little salty at first for some people, so be aware of that. And next up, let's talk about my wife's entree. Now, my wife's from New Orleans, and she loves her seafood, so she ordered the Angry Crab Bucatini.
She was expecting it to be a little spicier. She said it basically had no spice, but it had very strong lemon citrus flavor, and there were some shells in it, but she said it was very fresh. Unfortunately, none of us had room for dessert. We were stuffed. Got the bill, and we're going to give the service a 10. They were amazing. Just top line service.
That was really, really good. That salad was amazing. The steak, even though it was overcooked a little bit, it was still really good. Really had a good experience here. They also have some nice patio seating on the backside, and then you have a good view of the lake here at Saratoga Springs, and you can watch the little car boats from the boathouse and watch the balloon go up. So now it's about 3 o'clock and the crowd is getting crazy. It's probably going to have, you probably wait about 30 minutes to get into Disney Springs now. So we're pretty much done. We had a great time at the restaurant. I'd give it probably a solid 8. Food was really good. That salad was amazing. The jalapeno cornbread, I was surprised how much I liked it. It was really good. I would recommend that. But overall, pretty good experience. I love that environment. Was really nice, California style, very relaxed, and just really nice overall. So do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.